Hello everybody, it's Dione Irwin here with the Dione Irwin. See you all, whoever could make it. It was wonderful to see all your faces and some people that follow me that got to meet me today, and I got to meet you. So it was really great. Open house was good, but if you couldn't make it, I thought I would. Dione Irwin. I think my connection's sort of not that great, but so we're here south of Airdrie, 2 acres. I just wanted, just in case you couldn't make it to the open house today, I thought I would do a little tour. So it's kind of a rare property. These are hard to find. It's really about 2 minutes from Airdrie, and it's pretty cute. It's got a, let's just flip it around here. So you might have seen it on Facebook. It's been around a little bit. So there's the 6-car garage. This is heated. I was having trouble with my little machine here. There's the house. And there's also an attached double garage. And so they're both heated. Both the garages are heated. The 6-car garage is 26 by 60. And the attached is like 26 by 24, something like that. So it's also a really good size. I'm not really sure what's happening here. Sorry. Okay. Oops, sorry, that's not good either. There's this guy. Okay, so I'm just gonna walk around the outside a little bit first, like quickly, and then I'll show you the inside. So, what else can I tell you? Really cute little cottage style. There's the front. A lot of you might have seen this on Facebook because it's reached quite a few people. So, okay, so here's the little gazebo area that connects the detached garage to the house. So it's a detached garage, but it's kind of got this little gazebo. It has central AC, so it's cool in the summer, warm in the winter. Here's just some land. This is kind of the main yard here. So it's 2 acres again, just south of Airdrie in Butte Hills. So this is land. It's been, well, this has been listed. It's not actually on MLS. So this is an exclusive listing. So if you want to see it, it's got a really cute shed. There's bird houses around it. It's pretty amazing, this little garden. Kind of blooms all different times, so there's always something pretty. We've got a little tomato garden here. A lot of ripe little tomatoes, so that's cool. There's also a veggie garden just over on the other side of that fence there. And I'll quickly just give you a view of the rest of the yard. So it's all fenced, 6-foot chain link fence. And so here it is. So this is the veggie garden. It's a sunflowers, pretty tall actually. Okay, so here it goes all around here. Tons of trees and fire pit, private fire pit. Then it also goes all the way down the hill over there. So I'm getting my exercise right now. Huffing and puffing while you have to listen. But it's like your private little oasis here. Birds. Hello, birds. And just down here is a nice open spot. You could toboggan. It's a bit of a hill right here, but it's flat at the bottom. So you could have, you know, soccer ball, whatever. And then you got this nice, it's a nice spot, and it's all fenced. So if you have dogs or kids, you can just keep them all in where they're supposed to be. Okay, so I'm just gonna try and, so yeah, we had an open house today. It was really busy. Nice to meet lots of people who are looking for an acreage, possibly young families, people that are retired. It's a good one for anybody because it's a 3-level split, and this little door. A lot of people love the door color today. Okay, hopefully okay, sorry, just gotta get the door here. Okay, so here we are inside. And this was staged by Plush, of course. You know, if you follow me, you know I love my staging. So you come in and you've got this really great office. I think my lens on my camera's a little bit dirty, but if I wipe it, this machine will go funny, so I'm sorry. But anyways, here is this living room. Nice big windows, a lot of space. There's a TV spot there. We just don't have, there's no TV there right now. Front entry right into the living and dining. It's super open concept. And we had lots of snacks. My good friend Melissa Legault was here today. She brought the snacks. Thank you, Melissa. You're awesome. I'm gonna put a picture of Melissa on here pretty soon, so if you guys wanna say hi to Melissa. She came today and she's my friend, but she's also an awesome mortgage broker. So there's Melissa. Everybody meet Melissa. I'm gonna get her on a video soon, right? Okay, so we talked about, like, it was great to have our own mortgage person right here answering questions about acreages and financing and mortgage rates and all that. So if you want her info, I'll post it on here too after. So here's the kitchen. It's had a lot of renovations up the stairs, just a few stairs to the 3 bedrooms upstairs. And so here's the master. It's pretty great. It's big, it's got room for king and night tables, and it's got built-in closets here, pot lights, and this little display for whatever you want to put there. And really such a wonderful little balcony with these chairs. You can look out onto that backyard. Private, very private. And we got an ensuite. So really, you know, a decent size ensuite. And if you want details on this place and the price and all that stuff, make sure you message me. I'll let you know if you know somebody that's looking for an acreage, or if you're looking for an acreage. Very, very close to Airdrie in Calgary. It's about 10 minutes to the airport and like 2 minutes to Airdrie. So, okay, so the other 2 bedrooms up here. I'm just like totally out of breath, sorry. This one's pink. Big windows, lots of light. They've got closet organizers in them built in. Then here's the bathroom. There's another linen closet here and another bathtub. So this is like the kids' bathroom. And we have got a really lovely other little room, but they're actually quite big. They're big bedrooms. So there's 3 up here, okay, and then we'll go down to this main level again. So you're kind of figuring out the layout, hopefully. And then we go downstairs. This is a really cool family room. It's huge. So here we go. So just a really big family room. Lots of area for toys or whatever you want to put there. It's got new furnaces, new hot water tank, new windows, just for like 2 aren't new, I think. So everything was replaced. All the patio doors and windows replaced. New electrical. It's built in 1981. So, okay, here's another bedroom downstairs. Got these really great units, like there's a lot of storage in there. So yeah, new water lines were put in because it used to be copper piping. So it's, here's another bedroom. And every room has kind of really fun little light. I don't know if you can see that, but every room has really cool light fixtures. It's got a lovely wood burning fireplace with the door that's got a hot tub wiring out there for a hot tub if you want to put a hot tub in. I'm gonna hurry up because I'm taking forever here. Okay, this is the door to the attached garage. So when you come in there, you've got all these lockers. Nice window for light, but lockers with a bench and hooks. So just a lot of storage here. This whole end is new. So I've got the laundry right here with a big sink, and then another bathroom. Hello. There's me. And then another bathroom, brand new bathroom. So it's got 3 bathrooms. This has got an oversized shower with subway tile in it. So anyways, both garages are heated. It's a great location. It's something that is very rare. Whoops, let's turn this thing around. It's a really rare property to find so close. It's like an urban acreage. It's a city acreage. So anyways, if you guys, whoever sees this, if you're looking or if you know somebody that is, or just share this video, my crazy huffing and puffing, share it with somebody if you think they might want to have a look at this place. It's not an MLS, so make sure you contact me, message me, Facebook message, Instagram, you know, I'm pretty easy to find, but hope you're all doing well, and thank you for watching. And Melissa, thank you for coming today. It was great to see you, and thanks to all the people who came to the open house today that I got to meet. So I hope you all have a great long weekend. Okay, bye.